Fish oil is derived from the tissues of certain type of fish. It can be consumed as part of your daily diet or as a dietary supplement. The rich presence of omega-3 fatty acid is what makes fish oil healthy. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fatty acids that the human body is unable to produce on its own. The two main omega-3 fatty acids are DHA and EPA. The anti-inflammatory property of omega-3 is what further linked to the many health benefits of fish oil. Vegetarian sources of omega-3 includes flax seeds, walnut, broccoli, spinach, edamame, a type of green soybean. 1. Controls cholesterol level. Fish oil works as an anti-inflammatory agent because of its rich content of omega-3 fatty acid. This prevents inflammation of our fat tissue or fat cells, which could lead to type 2 diabetes by causing insulin resistance in our body. Number 2. Maintain eye health. Fish oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that are great nourishment for our eye. It protects us from eye disorders and also helps in avoiding the macular degeneration. Number 3. Drives away depression. Omega-3 fatty acids relieve us from the feeling of sadness, anxiety, mental fatigue, stress and depression. Fish oil stabilizes the mood and makes one feel calm and composed. Number 4. Healthy and strong bones. Fish oil can effectively treat osteoporosis or weak bone, a problem generally found in older adults. It helps in increasing bone density. It can also treat acute pain and morning stiffness associated with arthritis. Number 5. Protect against type 2 diabetes. Triglycerides are a particular type of fat that can be found in our bloodstream. When its level exceeds more than the normal, it makes the body vulnerable to various metabolic syndromes, including diabetes and heart disease. Fish oil capsules decrease the triglyceride level flowing in the bloodstream. Number 6. Gives joyful pregnancy. Fish oil is extremely beneficial in pregnancy due to its DHA compound, which help in the development of the eyes and brain. The omega-3 fatty acid present in fish oil contain DHA, which is one of the major structural components of our brain, skin, and retina. It can stimulate the overall development and growth of the fetus in the womb. 7. Anti-inflammatory properties. Fish oil easily bring down inflammation in our blood and tissues. Fish oil, due to the omega-3 fatty acid, effectively treat gastrointestinal disorders, short bowel syndrome, and chronic inflammatory disease. Number 8. Help with mental disorder. Regular consumption of fish oil reduces the risk of depression. Not only that, it also reduces aggression. The omega-3 fatty acid present in fish oil ensure that the brain functions well, making it adapt to deal with all kinds of mental problems. Fish oil is said to improve concentration, enhance memory, and improve the cognitive functioning of the brain, and it can also cure Alzheimer's disease. Number 9. Boost heart health. Omega-3 is an effective agent that helps to reduce the incidence of cardiovascular disease. Fish oil is a great source of omega-3 and therefore reduces the risk of heart disease and heart arrhythmias. It also cuts down the level of bad cholesterol and enhances the level of good cholesterol in the body. Fish oil prevents the accumulation of triglycerides and also reduces the level of excess triglycerides from the body. Fish oil can be used to impede atherosclerosis in coronary patients. Thus, fish oil is highly effective in preventing strokes, and regular usage of fish oil can help avoid sudden death due to the cardiac arrest. Number 10. Improve skin and hair health. The omega-3 fatty acid boosts the collagen production in our body and gives us a youthful look. It helps the cells retain their natural moisture, keeping the skin well hydrated throughout the day. Regular consumption of fish oil or its supplement keep acne problem at bay and ensure blemish-free skin. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family too.